Area. Hey, wait. This is not chloroquine corner, no shouting. Baba Wanya, Omilele, Oya Joko. Sit down, everybody. Baba, Swale, Area father. MSc, PhD, NIA, FSA, MA, even CLA, DDA. The Street University Master. The professor is here.
Most of what I know no be from classroom. I learnt hard. I learnt on the street. And that is why I'm a proud student of the Street University. I have PhD, determination, BSc, doggedness, MSc, focus. Plenty things there to learn from life and street experience than for classroom. In the classroom, you are taught theories. Oh yes. Philosophies, but for street life. Life teach you reality. Not only then, you go realize, say, life no be my and pomo. Yes. Make her open your eyes to something on the street. Every day is for test and exam. Nobody they give you time to prepare. You fit fall, make mistake, break your head. Now you sabi.
Body cough.
But opportunity there to learn from everything where you they pass through. The truth be say, street package, they prepare you for hardship.
Action.
Oh yes. Nobody go tell you, sorry, take a hat. For where? On the street, you must be careful of your actions. They will either make you or destroy you. Oh yes. You must make your own decision sometime, else others go decide for you. And wahala must they be that. Hey, you must be willing, you must be strong, no dulling for street things. So, hey, if you must learn for street well, then you must prepare your mind to face the kind things we did for street. Even if you did school, you fit still learn street things. So shine your eyes, because the street now your teacher. Oh yes.
We know say school they very important. But for the street, we will not sell school. We don't chop for the street. Now the street matter pass. Because on the street we did. To ring area father. Now on 08032481739. For Twitter now area father 1. And for Facebook now Charles Puta. For website now www.charlieboy.org. Same station, same time next week. Wash your side, about the wash. Okay.